Insert the black test LED into the COM jack and the red test LED into the V-ohmmeter red jack. DC voltage test. Test DC voltage 19V. Press and hold the select button to select the AC file. Test the AC voltage 19V. Current test. The test leads need to be connected in place before the current test, and then input the current test. Test DC current 100 UA. Test DC current 10 mA. Note: when measuring a current greater than 200 mA, connect the cross-plug end of the red test LED to jack and connect the test LED in place, and then input the current test. Test DC current 5A. Test AC current. Press the select button to select AC file. Test AC current 100 UA. Test AC current 10 mA. Please note that the instrument defaults to the DC gear in the current gear, and you need to reselect it when changing the range. Resistance test. Turn the rotary switch to the resistance position. Touch the probe head of the test probe to both ends of the resistance being measured. You can start the measurement. Capacitance test. Turn the knob switch to the resistance position. Press and hold the select key to select capacitance measurement. Temperature measurement. Set the rotary switch to the temperature position. Connect the black test LED of the sensor to the COM jack, and connect the red test LED of the sensor to the Celsius or Fahrenheit jack. The sensor probe is placed in the temperature field to be measured. Press and hold the select button to select Celsius or Fahrenheit. LED test. Turn the knob switch to the correct position to measure. Relative value measurement. Long press the key for more than 2 seconds. The meter will enter relative value measurement. Record the parameter value being measured, and clear the display at the same time. The subsequent measurement value is the difference relative to the previous measurement value. Key demo. Hold. Press the hold key to lock the screen display value, and the DH symbol will be displayed on the LCD screen. Press again to cancel. Long press the key for more than 2 seconds. The backlight will light up, and long press it for 2 seconds to turn it off. Frequency, duty cycle key. In the AC voltage or current measurement state. Press this key to realize the cyclic measurement of ACV, HZ, duty. Max, min button. Press the max min button. The meter displays the max symbol, which means that the meter starts to record the maximum value of the measured data and displays it on the LCD screen.